We often chase dramatic transformations, seeking massive leaps forward. But real, sustainable progress lies in the power of tiny gains. This is the heart of continuous improvement, a philosophy centered on making small, incremental changes over time. It's about consistently striving to be a little bit better each day. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be a little bit better than you were yesterday. Imagine a sculptor meticulously chipping away at a block of stone. Each strike of the chisel might seem insignificant on its own, but over time these small, deliberate actions shape a masterpiece. Similarly, embracing continuous improvement in your life can lead to remarkable results. It's not about overnight success. It's about the daily pursuit of progress. The beauty of continuous improvement is its accessibility. It doesn't require extraordinary talent or superhuman effort. It's about cultivating a mindset of constant learning and growth. It's about embracing the idea that no matter how good you are, you can always be better. And the best part? Anyone can start today. This essay will guide you through the principles and practical steps to unlock your potential through continuous improvement. You'll discover how this philosophy can revolutionize your approach to work, relationships, and personal growth. Get ready to embrace the power of small changes, unleashing remarkable results over time. Why is continuous improvement so powerful? Because it shifts our focus from destinations to journeys. It's about embracing the process of growth rather than chasing a fixed endpoint. This mindset fosters resilience, adaptability, and a thirst for knowledge. When you commit to continuous improvement, you embrace challenges as opportunities for growth. Setbacks become valuable lessons. Obstacles are not roadblocks, but stepping stones on your path to becoming the best version of yourself. This perspective opens up a world of possibilities. Imagine the impact of continuous improvement on your career. By consistently seeking ways to enhance your skills and knowledge, you become an invaluable asset. You adapt to changing industries and seize new opportunities. You become a lifelong learner, constantly evolving and thriving in a dynamic world. But the benefits extend far beyond the professional realm. Imagine the positive ripple effects on your relationships, health, and personal passions. By applying the principles of continuous improvement, you cultivate deeper connections, enhance your well-being, and unlock hidden talents. Continuous improvement is a journey that enriches every aspect of your life. At the heart of continuous improvement lies a simple yet powerful cycle. Observe, plan, implement, review. This framework provides a roadmap for consistent growth, guiding you through a structured process of reflection, action, and refinement. Observe. Begin by taking a step back and objectively assessing your current situation. What's working well? What could be improved? Identify areas where small changes can have a significant impact. This phase is about gathering information and gaining clarity on your starting point. Plan. Once you've identified areas for improvement, develop a plan of action. Break down your goals into smaller, more manageable steps. Define specific actions you can take and set realistic timelines. This stage is crucial for translating your observations into actionable steps. Implement. Put your plan into action. Execute the steps you've outlined, focusing on consistency and discipline. Remember, even small actions taken consistently over time yield significant results. This phase is about translating your plan into tangible progress. Review. After implementing your plan, take time to reflect on the outcomes. What worked well? What could be adjusted? Identify lessons learned and areas for further improvement. This phase is crucial for refining your approach and ensuring continuous growth. Now that you understand the continuous improvement cycle, let's explore some practical steps you can implement in your daily life. Set aside time for reflection. Dedicate a few minutes each day to reflect on your experiences and identify areas for improvement. This could be as simple as journaling your thoughts or engaging in a quick brainstorming session. Break down large goals. Large goals can feel overwhelming. Break them down into smaller, more manageable steps. This makes the journey less daunting and allows you to celebrate small victories along the way. Seek feedback. Don't be afraid to ask for feedback from trusted sources. Objective perspectives can provide valuable insights and highlight blind spots you might have missed. Embrace experimentation. View challenges as opportunities for learning and growth. Don't be afraid to try new things and step outside your comfort zone. Embrace a mindset of experimentation and innovation. Continuous improvement is more than just a set of techniques, it's a mindset shift. It's about embracing a growth-oriented perspective that fuels your desire to learn, adapt, and evolve. A growth-oriented mindset thrives on challenges, viewing them as opportunities for growth and learning. It embraces effort as the path to mastery, understanding that setbacks and failures are not endpoints, but valuable stepping stones on the road to success. This mindset is fueled by a thirst for knowledge and a willingness to step outside one's comfort zone. Cultivating a growth-oriented mindset requires conscious effort and practice. Start by reframing your internal dialogue. Challenge negative self-talk and replace it with positive affirmations. Embrace constructive criticism as a tool for growth and view mistakes as opportunities for learning. Surround yourself with individuals who inspire and challenge you. Seek out mentors and role models who embody a growth-oriented mindset. Engage in activities that push you outside your comfort zone and foster personal and professional development. Imagine a single domino standing upright. It might seem insignificant on its own, but what happens when you line up thousands of dominoes, each perfectly spaced? One push sets off a chain reaction, unleashing a wave of momentum that topples each domino in its path. Continuous improvement operates in a similar way. Each small change, each incremental improvement might seem insignificant in isolation, but over time, these small actions create a domino effect, unlocking exponential growth and transforming your life in profound ways. As you embrace the principles of continuous improvement, you'll notice a remarkable shift in your mindset and approach to life. Challenges become opportunities, setbacks become stepping stones, and the pursuit of growth becomes an integral part of who you are. Start today, take that first small step. Embrace the power of continuous improvement and unlock your true potential. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step.